I'm diving deep into the unknown and challenging myself to uncover what's really hiding in my ears. Let's see what I can find. Ear health is something we often take for granted, but have you ever stopped to think about what might be lurking in those dark, mysterious caverns? From dirt and wax to who knows what, today we're going to explore the hidden world of our ears and uncover the truth about what's really hiding inside. When it comes to ear hygiene, many of us are guilty of neglecting our ears until problems arise. But what are some of the most common issues associated with poor ear care? Well, for starters, there's the buildup of wax, dirt, and other debris that can cause discomfort, itchiness, and even affect our hearing. Then there are the potential infections that can occur when we stick objects like Q-tips or fingers into our ears, pushing bacteria and debris further inside. Not to mention the risk of damaging our eardrums or pushing earwax deeper into our ears. And let's not forget about the fungi and bacteria that can thrive in the warm, moist environment of our ears, leading to infections and unpleasant odors. Ignoring ear health can have some serious consequences. From temporary hearing loss to tinnitus, the risks are real. And yet, many of us only think about our ears when something goes wrong. But what if we told you that a little bit of TLC can go a long way in preventing these problems? By understanding the importance of ear health and taking simple steps to maintain it, we can avoid a lot of unnecessary anguish. Our ears are incredibly complex and fascinating organs, with a delicate balance of mechanisms working together to help us hear and maintain our balance. The ear canal, for example, is lined with tiny hairs and sebaceous glands that produce earwax, a natural barrier against dirt, dust, and other foreign objects. But what happens when this balance is disrupted, and earwax builds up to excessive levels? And what about the risks of using cotton swabs or other objects to clean our ears, potentially damaging the eardrum or pushing earwax further into our ears? As we delve deeper into the world of ear health, we're going to explore some shocking and unexpected findings about what can be found in our ears. From the strange objects people have lodged in their ears to the devastating effects of neglect, we're pulling back the curtain on the often ignored world of ear care. You might be surprised at what we discover. For example, did you know that it's possible for insects like ticks or even small spiders to make their way into our ears? Or that some people have been known to stick bizarre objects like beads or even batteries into their ears? As we've seen, ear health is a complex and multifaceted topic, full of surprises and potential pitfalls. But the good news is that maintaining good ear hygiene is relatively simple. By using gentle ear cleaners, avoiding objects that can push earwax deeper into our ears, and being mindful of our ear health, we can avoid many of the problems we've discussed today. So take control of your ear health today, and discover the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're taking care of your ears. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your ear care routine like? Do you have any tips or tricks for keeping your ears healthy? Let us know, and don't forget to check out our next video on health tips and tricks. Don't forget to check